Sim Sim. You've hurt yourself pretty badly. Let's see what sort of mischief you've got up to this time. Oh my, what a mistake. You crossed the road when the light was red. Let me put you back together again. Next time, cross the tracks at designated pedestrian crossing areas only. Remember that you must wait for the pedestrian traffic signal to turn green. And make sure that you look left and right before crossing the road. And you too. Be very careful and make sure that you follow the safety regulations to stay safe.